Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Ford Mustang Boss 302, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their Then and Now series. I think specifically this is from the Q case. So I personally love this particular casting, and particularly this Mustang. I mean, who doesn't love Mustangs? I personally love Mustangs so much. So I'm lucky enough to get this one. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, so here it is. So the initial impressions of this car, this looks really beautiful. Okay, there are some irregularities in the paint job. Let me show you guys. So you can see here, there are some irregularities in the paint job here. But the casting looks really beautiful. So there are no paint jobs for headlights, but at least they embossed it, which is at least that is a welcome one. Even for the tail lights, there are no paint jobs, but at least they embossed it. That looks really nice. So the entire body is made of metal and chassis is made of plastic, and the wheels are plastic. So this part is also actually made of plastic. It's chromed out, but it's made of plastic. I hope you guys can see some interior at least. Let me try to show you guys. So this one has the Falcon livery. I don't know if this one is really rare or something, but we did buy some other car with the Falcon livery in the previous bunch. I mean the previous boxes. I don't remember which one is it now. So but I do know I need to unbox those. I will do that maybe in upcoming days. I'm not getting time like I used to. Okay, let's do a roll test. Dude, this is not even rolling. See, the front wheel is not even rolling. Wow. The Hotwheels quality control is really worst nowadays. It is not fast or anything. It is so hard actually. Okay, there is not much wheel wobble, but it is not rolling. But still it looks really beautiful. Just for that I will buy this. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.